Show. I'm Sydney Neely, and welcome back to The Shortcut. Coming up on tonight's show, lung cancer is the leading cause of death in the U.S. There is a new treatment option, though, for those diagnosed with non-small cell lung cancer. Joining me to talk about this breakthrough is medical oncologist and hematologist, Dr. David Waterhouse. Hi, Dr. Waterhouse.
Hi, and thank you for inviting me.
Thanks for joining us. So first off, what is this particular form of lung cancer and how common is it?
Well, it's called non-small cell lung cancer, and sadly, it's actually very common. As you mentioned earlier, lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer death, and it's going to affect nearly 240,000 Americans this year. And non-small cell lung cancer is the most common form of lung cancer, often presenting with advanced disease.
And how can a lung cancer patient find out their status?
So in order for them to know if they have this specific mutation, they have to have what we call biomarker testing. In other words, there's a very specific genetic testing that can be done. This testing can be done on their tissue biopsy, but it also can even be done on blood. So the patient can simply give a vial of blood that can be sent off to test for this mutation. There is a new treatment option. The FDA recently approved a drug called Lumakras. It was produced by Amgen, and this is the first FDA-approved drug. It's a once-a-day oral drug approved for the treatment of patients with this very specific G12C mutation. They likely have had their first cancer treatment, and either that treatment isn't working, their disease is progressing, or they may not be tolerating well that treatment, and their doctor is now trying to come up with another treatment for them.
This is definitely a breakthrough. Where can people go for more information?
Start with their healthcare provider about the testing and the potential benefits and risks of any treatment. But they can also go to the web. Amgen has a website, www.lumakras.com. Lumakras is spelled Lumakras, so www.lumakras.com. And that's another site where they can get important information about this new breakthrough treatment.
Thank you so much, Dr. Waterhouse, for joining us on The Shortcut. That's all the time that we have for tonight's show. I'm Sydney Neely, and I'll catch you next time on The Shortcut.